If you had to choose right now, 1 crore rupees in cash today, or a single paisa that doubles in value every day for 30 days, which one would you take? Most people choose the immediate 1 crore. Our brains are biologically wired to think in straight, linear lines, which makes a single copper coin look like a rounding error. But the math tells a different story. For the first 3 weeks, the growth is barely noticeable. Then, suddenly, it scales. By day 30, that single paisa has become over 53 lakh crore rupees. That mathematical shock is the reality of compound interest. It proves that our natural instincts are often the biggest obstacle to understanding how wealth is actually generated. This is why Albert Einstein is frequently cited as calling compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. He noted that those who understand it earn it, and those who don't pay it.
We see the paying side of that equation every day in high-interest credit card debt, where the math works just as aggressively against you. Mastering this concept is more than a wealth strategy. It is a defense mechanism. It's the difference between having your money work for you or being trapped in a cycle of perpetual debt. To see the difference, look at simple interest. It's a stagnant system. You earn a fixed return on your original principal, and that amount never changes. Compound interest is dynamic because you earn interest on the interest. As this chart shows, the principal base expands every single cycle. Over 5 years, the gap between the two systems begins to widen as the compound bars curve upward. But look closely at the first 3 years. The difference is so small, it's almost invisible. In the early stages, exponential growth feels identical to standing still. This period of invisible growth is where most people quit. They don't see immediate results, so they abandon the investment before the math has a chance to accelerate. Consider Raj. He's 25 and starts investing 5,000 rupees a month. Raj only invests for 10 years. By age 35, he stops contributing entirely. His total out-of-pocket investment is exactly 6 lakh rupees. Then there's Simran. She waits until age 35 to start, the exact moment Raj stopped. She invests the same 5,000 rupees a month. Unlike Raj, Simran is incredibly disciplined. She invests every month for 25 years until she turns 60, putting in a total of 15 lakh rupees. Look at the outcome at age 60. Simran has roughly 95 lakh rupees, but Raj, who invested 9 lakh rupees less than her, ends up with over 1.15 crore. Raj won because of this specific 10-year gap. Those early years gave his money a head start, allowing it to double more times than Simran's ever could. This is the hockey stick curve. The growth stays flat for the first 15 years, then hits a tipping point that triggers a vertical spike in the final decade. The math is clear. Time in the market is more powerful than timing the market, or even the size of your initial capital. You can calculate this growth yourself using the rule of 72. It's a mental shortcut to find out how long it takes for your money to double. If you earn a 12% return, you divide 72 by 12. That means your money doubles every 6 years. 1 lakh becomes 2, then 4, then 8. By the time you're 61, that single lakh has doubled 6 times to become 64 lakhs. A systematic investment plan, or SIP, is the tool designed to capture these cycles. It allows you to automate the process so you aren't relying on a large lump sum to get started. Automation also protects you from emotion. It prevents the panic selling that destroys compounding chains and resets your progress to zero. The hardest part of this journey is surviving the first decade. It's the period where the growth is real, but it's too small to feel life-changing. Even the most successful investor in history, Warren Buffett, generated 99% of his wealth after his 50th birthday. He simply never stopped the compounding curve. The best day to start was 10 years ago. The second best day is today. Don't wait for a larger amount or a better time. Just begin.